Hello again, this is D with T Designs by D, and we're going to start off by sublimating a button. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to print our mirrored design on sublimation paper. Then we're going to remove the plastic coating that is on the face of our button, which is the area that we're going to actually be sublimating on. And I have two buttons that I'm going to be making. So as you can see, I printed the sublimation designs out. I trimmed the paper, and now we're going to lay the buttons down, face down, on our prints. Then we're going to tape it securely so that it doesn't move. And after we tape it, we're going to place it on our heat press at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds, and we're going to use medium pressure. They're very hot, so make sure you have your heat gloves on. And look how nice they turned out. Look at those colors. Wow. And then lastly, we're going to assemble them. Now, in the packet that I got from Amazon, it included not only the circle sublimation blanks, but also the clips that go on the back. So we're going to assemble them by just putting the clips on the back. And there's a little coating on the back of these clips so that they just stick right on. And that's the first one. And now for our last one. And that's it, a custom button, vibrant and ready to show off. Grab the editable template in my shop and start pressing magic today.